Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss adverb and its types. So first of all, adverb, a word that modifies an adjective, verb or other adverb. Basically adverb modifies or qualifies adjective, verb और another adverb. कि adverb जो है वो adjective को, verb को और दूसरे adverb को क्वालिफाई करता है, उनके बारे में हमें बताता है. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ एडवर्ब. एडवर्ब का काम क्या है? एडवर्ब आंसर्स द क्वेश्चंस. कौन से क्वेश्चंस? व्हेन द एक्शन इज हैपन, वेयर, हाउ ऑफन एंड टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट. किस हद तक हुआ है, कैसे हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, कब हुआ. इन तमाम क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स एडवर्ब हमें देता है. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द एग्जांपल्स. ही ड्राइव्स क्विकली. So here he is a subject and its pronoun, drives verb, quickly adverb. So in this sentence quickly tells us about drives, कि वो गाड़ी चलाता है, quickly तेज चलाता है. So it is modifying verb. In the next example, the water was extremely cold. So here in this sentence extremely is an adverb and it is modifying cold. और कोल्ड आपको पता है ठंडा, ये एक एडजेक्टिव है. सो इट इज़ क्वालिफाइंग एडजेक्टिव. द मूवी इज़ क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. ये वो जो मूवी है वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. क्वाइट हेयर यहाँ पे एडवर्ब है और इंटरेस्टिंग एडजेक्टिव है. सो इट इज़ मॉडिफाइंग एडजेक्टिव. ही ड्राइव्स क्वाइट स्लोली. सो हेयर वी हैव टू एडवर्ब्स, क्वाइट एंड स्लोली. सो क्वाइट मॉडिफाई कर रहा है स्लोली को. In the last sentence, he comes very often. Again, we have two adverbs. Very is modifying often. Very भी adverb है, often भी adverb है. But very जो है वो often को modify कर रहा है. So students, adverb क्या होता है? It tells us about verb, adjective and another adverb. ये हमें verb के बारे में, adjective के बारे में और दूसरे adverb के बारे में हमें मज़ीद बताता है. So after that we have kinds of adverb. So it has basically five kinds: adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency. So you can see here adverb of place tells us where, it answers the questions where. Adverb of time tells us when, it answers the questions when the action happens. Adverb of manner, it tells how action happens. Adverb of degree, to what extent the action happens. Adverb of frequency, how often it happens. So basically adverb answers these questions: where, when, how, to what extent, how often. So first kind of adverb is adverb of place. It tells us about the place, that where something happens. So examples are here, everywhere, outside, away, around. John looked around but he couldn't see the monkey. So around here it tells us about place, surrounding. So around is adverb of place. I'm waiting outside. So outside is an adverb of place. I searched everywhere. It's a place. I'm going back to school. Back to school. So it's a adverb of place. Come in. It is used as adverb of place. I'm waiting there. I'm living here. Here, there. So all these are adverb of place. And always remember that adverb of place are usually placed after the main verb. मेन वर्ब के बाद लगते हैं ये. और आफ्टर द क्लॉज, जब कोई क्लॉज हो तो उसके बाद. दैट दे मॉडिफाई Adverbs of place do not modify adjectives or other adverb. कि एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस जो है ये सिर्फ मॉडिफाई करेगा वर्ब को, ये एडजेक्टिव या दूसरे एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई नहीं करेगा. नेक्स्ट वी हैव एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. सो इट टेल्स अस व्हेन द एक्शन हैपेंस. एडवर्ब दैट टेल्स अस व्हेन आर यूजुअली प्लेस्ड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. तो ये हमारे व्हेन वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते हैं कि कब. आई सा अली, मैंने अली को देखा. व्हेन, कब. टुडे, आज देखा. आई विल कॉल यू लेटर, मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूँगा. कब, बाद में. आई हैव टू लीव नाउ, अब मुझे जाना है. कब, अभी. आई सॉ दैट मूवी लास्ट ईयर. सो टुमारो, टुडे, yesterday, लास्ट डे, evening, morning. So all these are adverb of time. Third one we have adverb of manner. So adverb of manner tell us how something happens. कि कैसे हुआ काम. They are usually placed either after the main verb or after the object. So he swims, वो तैरता है कैसे. Well. He ran, वो भागा कैसे. Quickly, तेजी से. She spoke softly. Mostly in the adverb of manner we use ly. James coughed loudly. How he coughed? He coughed loudly. He plays the flute beautifully. So here it is used after the direct object. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. So greedily here it's adverb of manner. Next we have 4 number adverb of degree. So adverb of degree tell us about the intensity of something. जो उसकी शिद्दत का हमें बताता है. Adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjectives, adverb or verb that they modify. Although there are some exceptions, the word too, enough, very, and extremely are examples of adverb of degree. So adverb of degree क्या है? First of all, extremely, it's adverb of degree and it is qualifying adjective. The water was extremely cold. The movie is quite interesting. He was just leaving. So just, almost, very, too. So it tells us about intensity. शिद्दत के बारे में हमें बताता है. Last one, adverb of frequency. It describes how often an action happens. कि कब कब ये एक्शन होता है. So there are 6 main adverb of frequency. 6 adverbs. Always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. So there are percentage like 10%, 20%, 30%. So I will explain in the next video. For example, if there is 100%, so we can say Sarah always goes out on Saturday evenings. So always is an adverb of frequency. Ali usually picks him up. Aisha and Fatima often go for lunch together. In the winter, Sarah sometimes goes skiing in France. Ali and Hamza rarely go to the cinema in the summer because they prefer to stay outside. Rarely, sometimes, often. As Aisha is so busy, she never gets home from work before 7. Never means here, it means that she always comes late. So these are the kinds of adverb. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much